Thank you so much. Thank you, Rohit ji, for a very kind introduction. That's really, really kind of you. Thank you, Jitendra ji.
Born into an illustrious business family of old Delhiwalas, Radhika is the daughter of late Padma Bhushan Srimati Sharan Rani, legendary Sarod maestro, and Sri Sultan Singh Bakliwal, renowned scholar and businessman.
I think it will be amiss on our part if we don't thank our wonderful tech support, Rajita and Jineshh of Wedding Stories in Mumbai, who's in such a short span of time put together this program. You know, online presentation karna, हमें physical installations की तो कितनी आदत है decades से, but to put together an online installation gave us all jitters, and they and their team have worked so hard